Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares presents a nuanced depiction of stability amidst turmoil, leading to skepticism from union leaders. His assertions face scrutiny from Union President Shawn Fain, who underscores the frustrations of the workforce. The automotive landscape is experiencing a profound transformation as it shifts toward electric vehicles, which introduces uncertainty for traditional manufacturing roles. This transition disrupts sales and employment on a significant scale. The consequences of Stellantis's sweeping layoffs extend beyond the Ram division, impacting Jeep production and thousands of employees. This situation highlights the broader economic challenges plaguing the automotive industry. The layoffs at Stellantis represent a chaotic chain reaction that heightens uncertainty, affecting not only employees but also the economic stability of the entire community. Job losses lead to diminished spending in local businesses, exemplifying the multiplier effect, where unemployment reverberates through the economy, impacting shops and services. In response, local leaders are actively mobilizing to assist displaced workers, emphasizing the urgent need for action amid escalating anxiety and uncertainty within the community. Discontent among union members is on the rise, fostering skepticism towards their leaders, who are viewed as inadequate in safeguarding their interests. This dissatisfaction is spurring demands for new leadership. Union President Shawn Fain has emerged as a dynamic leader, denouncing the layoffs and calling for solidarity among workers. His appeals underline the critical role of collective strength in overcoming challenges. Workers are firmly demanding job security and a focus on employee welfare over executive bonuses, emphasizing the necessity for a sustainable employment approach that supports families. The union accentuates the significance of essential benefits that bolster workers' lives, fostering a sense of value and security in their positions. This advocacy is vital for the overall stability of the community. The sharp contrast between rising executive compensation and the struggles of employees exacerbates tensions, prompting the union to demand accountability and equitable treatment for all workers. This disparity is a critical issue. Sales figures for Ram and other Stellantis brands reveal concerning declines, raising alarms about their future viability and the subsequent impact on employees and their families. This situation stresses the immediate need for corporate reform. The launch of a limited edition Ram truck aims to rekindle interest amid falling sales. However, this strategy raises questions regarding its long-term sustainability in a highly competitive market. Financial constraints and high pricing discourage potential buyers from purchasing new Ram trucks. Many consumers find these steep costs unmanageable, particularly against the backdrop of rising living expenses. Reliability issues, such as the infamous Hemi lifter tick, threaten consumer trust in Ram vehicles. Addressing these challenges is imperative for the brand to reclaim its share in the market.